Now, hello everybody. Now, let's talk a little bit about psychology. The relationship between human mind and behavior, whereby in psychology we're going to conceptualize the term known as psych, where psych is a totality of human mind, conscious part and unconscious part, whereby in psych we're going to deal with three structures: ID, superego, and ego. What is superego? Superego is a part which deals with morals and conscience of the society, and it is used to control ID by considering the morals and the things that are known as conscience in the society. But also we have the term ID itself. ID, it is a rational, it is a irrational part of the personality whose mission is to satisfy the instinctual drives or biological drives. So used to satisfy the instinct. Also, we're going to deal with ego. What is ego? Ego used to maintain the relationship between mind, between ID and superego, whereby ego operates under the principle of reality. So the role is to mediating the irrational demands and the rational demands by considering the limits imposed by the real world. So we consider the limits that imposed by the real world. Yes, that is all about psychic structures, and these psychic structures used to maintain our behavior, used to determine the behavior that we have. So thank you for listening, and subscribe in my channel in order to get more videos from this channel. Thank you.